How's it going today, everybody? Good, hopefully. Well, today we're gonna get back to this Buick. Some parts came in for the unit that I told the customer he needed to get changed, and here we are. We're going to put an oil pan and a sway bar on this Buick Lesabra. If you watch my previous videos, you'll see that the oil pan had a little gash in it, perspirating some oil. So we're going to get that changed, and then the sway bar end was broken off, rusted off. These are pretty notorious for that too. So anyway, go ahead here and we'll get to it, see if we can lower or change the sway bar without lowering the subframe. So anyway. Looks like a 916. No sense wrenching that out with no damn rack or don't even know how to gear wrench. There we go. Yeah. Tilt it up. Because I can't turn it. I don't know. Just don't see any way. Just don't see any way. You can actually get. That's crazy. Boot. Don't know. Oh, there we go. The bottom. Let me put this guy on. Just like that. The washer. Like that. This little spacer. Another one of these dudes. Another one of these guys. Now we're ready to put her on the. Push it down a little bit. Yeah. See if that's enough. Another one of these guys. Now we're getting ready to put these back in right here. The bushings. See if we can get a bolt started in there. Finally. Good knit. Sway bar link. Before I put that back on. not starting. Get her good and tight. Oh. Where are you at? Jeepers. There we go. She's tight. Put the damn tie rod end back on. There we go. Well, here we are. Back down at the oil pan. Just got done taking the oil plug out, drain this oil so we can get to this spot that's leaking oil, perspirating. We're gonna put a new oil pan on it. So yeah, we'll come back when I get this damn thing put on. Pretty straightforward, just bolts all the way around the oil pan. There's an oil sensor right here in the front. So yeah. Alright, now we're back. Nice shiny new oil pan installed on the unit. Oil sensor up front there. All the bolts are in, the oil filter. Nice. Refill this unit with oil, and this unit will be done. Sway bar is good, new oil pan. But anyway, sway bar is changed without having to take the damn subframe down, which I'm amazed. And oil pan changed. No more perspirating fluids from any of those departments anyway. So, guess as of now, I'm going to call this unit good to go. So, thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time. Later.